Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to verify timebucks account. So I have earned $10 after a long time and now it's time to withdraw my payment. So for that, first of all what you need to do is go to your settings and here in payment method you can choose your desired payment method. There are different payment methods like payer, bank transfer, ATM, Skrill, NetPayer, Bitcoin, or you want to hold your payment or you want to use your balance in advertising. So you can choose your preferred payment method. So if you haven't made account in those payment methods, then there are given some links for going to register to that payment method. So if you want to make account on ATM, you can click here in sign up button, and if you want to make transfer wise, then you can click here, and if you want to make payer, here if you want to make account on Bitcoin, you can click here. And recently PayPal is not supported timebucks, so after making account in these one of these payment methods, then choose that payment method here and write your email address here. I have already chosen TransferWise payment method because it is highly recommended by timebucks. Also, I have already made account on TransferWise, and if you want to see how to make account on TransferWise, then you can check my next video. Also, I have already made video on how to make TransferWise account. So after this, then you write your email address here and update payment method, and then go to verify ID. Verify ID here. You need to verify your identity before you can receive payment. This will only be required once if any ID documents that you upload in this tab are immediately deleted forever from our servers once it is approved. To verify your ID, complete these 3 steps. Step 1 is compulsory, that is photo with paper, holding a piece of paper with the word timebucks. So, but you can do either 2 or 3. If you don't have a Facebook profile, then you can submit government issued documents. If you don't want to submit government issued documents, then you can just submit your Facebook profile. So first I am going to go to step 1, that is photo with paper. Take a photo of yourself with a any camera with a piece of paper with the timebucks with your face clearly in the frame. So I have already taken a photo, so I am going to browse picture with paper and stop. Facebook profile, so reach my link. You go here, link, and copy this link and paste there. After this, submit for application is pending approval. You will receive an email notification when it is approved. So let's wait some time. So it's time to check my email. I will go to the browser and gmail.com. So here I got a mail from timebucks that is ID verification application has been approved. You are now eligible to receive payments from timebucks. So this is the easiest process to verify our timebucks account. So follow my method and you can easily verify your timebucks account and you can easily receive payments from timebucks. So today's hostage and according to timebucks, the hostage is your payment day. So I will again make video on how I get a payment from timebucks. So check my channel and you get a video on how to get payments from timebucks. Okay, see you in next video.